launcher. It's very hard also at the first part, but yeah, after that, after it will be used for how many battles, it will be very very smooth. Okay, so now let's go here and let's have first its beat. Yeah, I really want to have the beat first. So we have here the beat, and the beat is an axle type. Yeah, axle beat. Oh, very nice, man. So, very low. Okay. Then next is, whoa, this will be the very first time that I will see a one beat, one, or not beat, but a ratchet, one-sided ratchet here. Oh, it's really protruding outside, man. And yeah, I think I really want to use this to very close or protruding together with the blade. And now let's go with the blade here. Oh, it's, wow, it's very nice, man. You can really feel it's like an Excalibur. I don't think I have an original Excalibur here. I don't know, but yeah, whoa, that's the very first time I can really see an original UX blade. Nice, man. Let's combine them. Let's see. So I need to align it. Oh, that's an, because some of the bladers also, if they want to balance this one, they will have this kind of positioning of the ratchet and the blade. So it will have a balance here and also here, but I think still let's try it later, but or in a different video. Yeah, so it has a protruding part right here, another protruding, so they say it's balanced, but I don't know because the weight of the metal is different from the weight of the plastic. Yeah, so let's have first the very this is the normal of positioning of the beat or the ratchet. Now let's have the beat, which is the axle one. Wow, very nice. So even the original Takara Tomy Beyblade, they don't have a protection on the stickers anymore. But yeah, so much for that. So we can try this. Let's have our stadium here. Okay, let's go. Let's get our stadium. Let's go. Woohoo! So we have here now our stadium, and yeah, let's go. Let's try this one. This is my very first time. My first time, okay, not for the vlog, or not for, yeah, for the vlog also, first time also, that I will have a UX line here. Yeah, this will be the very first. So now I can have a competition with the CX, the UX, and the BX. Okay, let's have this one. Let's go. Whoa, that's very... Whoa, it's not yet free spinning. Yeah, let's see. I will use my full force on this one, and I want to see how a Beyblade like this perform. Okay, ready? 3,